Cooking rice is a straightforward process that results in a versatile and delicious side dish. Start by rinsing the rice under cold water to remove excess starch. This helps prevent the rice from becoming too sticky. After rinsing, drain the rice well. Next, add the rice to a pot along with water or broth for added flavor. The typical ratio of rice to liquid can vary slightly depending on the type of rice that you're using, but generally, using double the amount of water to the rice works well. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and cover the pot with a lid. Then let the rice simmer gently for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the type of rice. Avoid lifting the lid during this time as it lets steam escape. So when the rice has absorbed the liquid and is tender, remove the pot from the heat. Let it sit still covered for a few minutes to allow the rice to firm up and fluff.